Assalamu alaikum dear students. This video lecture is the way to connect with you. Once more, this is our lecture number 3. I am here to teach you exercise that is given on page number 10. Page number 10. You will learn about today adjective phrase. What you will learn today? Adjective phrase. First of all, you have to take the knowledge about what is adjective and what is phrase. Now, first of all, come on adjective. Come on adjective. What is adjective? What is adjective? It shows quality and disquality of noun and pronoun. It shows quality and disquality of noun and pronoun. Adjective क्या करता है? Quality show करता है किसी noun की और pronoun की. You know very well, noun is the dynamic word and pronoun used instead of noun. Ali, Amal, Aslam, these are the noun. I, we, you, they, he, she, it, these are the pronoun. And here is the example of the adjective good, ugly, handsome. I am going to use adjective into the sentence. He is a handsome boy. He is in the sentence is pronoun. Handsome is the adjective. As I said that adjective shows quality and disquality of the noun and pronoun. Handsome is the quality. Whose quality? He. He is the pronoun. This is the simple definition of adjective. Understand, dear student? Now come in other side of this lecture. There is phrase. There is phrase. So, what is phrase? Now, a group of words which give us not complete meaning. A group of words which give us not complete meaning. For example, on the table, in the room, on the table. What is in the table? What is on the table? In the room. What is in the room? आपको कोई कह रहा है on the table, आप absolutely question पूछेंगे. What is on the table? Means a meaning is not complete. This is also group of word on the table. This is the group of word, but there is not complete meaning. If I will say the book is on the table, then it will be sentence. Then it has a clear sense. On the table, don't know what is on the table. In the room, who is in the room? It means a phrase, a group of words which give us not complete meaning. Phrase एक ऐसा grammatical topic है जिसको हम बोलते हैं a group of words. Group of words तो होता है लेकिन हमें meaning clear नहीं देता. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Phrase. समझ आई बात मेरी students? Adjective and phrase. Now our main topic is adjective phrase. Adjective. Come to the adjective phrase. Now you got information. What is adjective? What is phrase? Now combination of these both. Adjective, phrase. Sometimes a single adjective not enough to describe noun or pronoun. कभी कभी क्या होता है एक सिंगल एडजेक्टिव इनफ नहीं होता किसी भी नाउन और प्रोनाउन को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए. तो हम क्या करते हैं? वी यूज फ्रेज टू डिस्क्राइब मोर क्लियरली नाउन और प्रोनाउन. एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज में क्या होता है कि कभी कभी एक एडजेक्टिव काफी नहीं होता किसी भी नाउन और प्रोनाउन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए. स्टूडेंट, एक एडजेक्टिव काफी नहीं होता एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए किसी भी नाउन और प्रोनाउन को. तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? वी यूज adjective phrase. Look in the example. A fat man with a big mustaches. A fat man with a big mustaches. With a big mustaches. Can you understand? Can you guess what is this? With a big mustaches. With big mustaches is a adjective phrase. With a big mustaches is a adjective phrase. Why this is an adjective phrase? It is with big mustaches. It is the combination of words but not giving the complete meaning. With big mustaches is explaining. This is the adjective phrase and is an adjective phrase because it describes the noun means man. It describes the man with the big moustaches. Who is the with the big moustaches? Man. Which man? A fat man. With the big moustaches is the adjective phrase. As big is also adjective, but we are learning adjective phrase. That is why I used a fat man with big moustaches means adjective phrase. This was a little bit topic on your page number 10. I hope you got information and you understood well what I told you. This was topic that links with the English grammar. Students, you will memorize the definition of the adjective phrase and also do the exercise F that is given on page number 10. Inshallah, if Allah wants, we will meet in our next lecture.